Being an influencer isn't all about the glitz and the glam. It comes with its own set of financial challenges. Firstly, inconsistent income. One month you might be rolling in brand deals and the next might be crickets. So here's my first tip. Budget for the lean times. Set aside a portion of your earnings during those good months. Think of it as your rainy day influencer fund. Next, taxes. Remember, as an influencer, you're essentially a business owner. Those brand deals, taxable income. So my next tip is stay organized, keep track of your expenses, and consider working with a financial planner like yours truly to navigate the tax maze. Lastly, planning for the future. Influencer world is ever evolving. What is hot today might not be hot tomorrow. So remember to diversify your income. Consider other revenue streams like creating your own product line or offering consulting services. And remember, dream big and plan wisely. And if you ever need a hand navigating the financial world of influencing, you know where to find me. Until next time.